Many people still use very simple passwords like 12345 password or qwerty. These passwords may be easy to remember, but they are also extremely easy for hackers to crack. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how hackers can break weak passwords in just a few seconds and what you can do to protect your accounts. As you can see here, these common passwords are used by millions of people. Hackers use automated tools that can guess these passwords almost instantly. That's why using strong and unique passwords is one of the most important steps in cybersecurity. Before we talk about how hackers crack passwords, we first need to understand what a weak password actually is. A weak password is a password that is short, simple, and easy to predict. For example, many people use very common passwords like simple numbers, common words, or keyboard patterns. As you can see here, weak passwords are usually short and simple. They are predictable and easy to guess. This makes them very easy for hackers to break using automated tools. That's why creating strong and unique passwords is essential for protecting your accounts. One of the most common ways hackers break passwords is called a brute force attack. In this type of attack, hackers use powerful software to automatically try thousands of password combinations every second. The software keeps guessing different passwords until it finds the correct one. As you can see here, the system keeps trying different passwords like numbers, common patterns, or word combinations. If the password is weak, the correct one can be discovered in just a few seconds. This is why simple passwords are extremely dangerous. Another common technique hackers use is called a dictionary attack. In this method, hackers don't try every possible combination. Instead, they use large lists of the most common passwords. These lists contain thousands, sometimes even millions, of passwords that people frequently use. As you can see here, passwords like 123456, password, football, or admin are extremely common. Hackers simply run these lists through automated tools to see if one of them matches your password. If your password is a common word or simple phrase, it can be cracked very quickly. That's why using unique and complex passwords is very important. Now the question is, how can we protect ourselves from these attacks? The answer is simple: by using strong passwords. A strong password should be long, ideally more than 12 characters. It should include a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols. And most importantly, every account should have a unique password. As you can see here, complex passwords like these are much harder for hackers to guess. When passwords are strong and unique, hacking becomes extremely difficult. One of the best ways to manage strong passwords is by using a password manager. A password manager securely stores all your passwords in one place. It can also generate long and complex passwords automatically. This means you don't have to remember dozens of different passwords. You only need to remember one master password. With a password manager, your accounts become much more secure. Another powerful way to protect your accounts is by enabling two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. With 2FA, logging into your account requires two steps. First, your password, and second, a verification code sent to your phone or authentication app. This extra layer of security makes it much harder for hackers to access your accounts, even if they know your password. By using strong passwords, a password manager, and two-factor authentication, you can greatly improve your online security. Thanks for watching and stay safe online. If you want more practical cybersecurity insights, don't forget to subscribe.